All right, we're in Las Vegas for CES, and we're at Allegiant Stadium, the home of the Las Vegas Raiders football team. But we're not here to see football, we're here to see the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, the fan edition. Now this phone, just announced, will go on sale on January 11 in Australia, starting at $999. It's $1099 for the higher spec memory. Bottom line though, very good phone, high-end features, a great feel, very lightweight, triple lens camera on the back, which you got your ultra wide, your telephoto and your standard, a 32 megapixel front camera for your selfies, great night mode, a great enhanced camera basically, under screen fingerprint reader, 120 hertz refresh display, literally all the features you'd expect of a $2,000 phone at just $1,000. I think they sold 10 million of the FE last year and it sold very well in Australia. Expect this one to do just as well. Goes on sale January 11. If you buy it from major retailers or Samsung before the 30th, you'll get Galaxy Buds 2 as a bonus. So a very good new phone from Samsung.